So we've just spent 8 days on Norfolk Island, and I'll just hand it over to Kathleen first so she can give her highlights.
I think one of the highlights would definitely be snorkeling in Slaughter Bay. We actually went, I think we had the best experience on an overcast rainy day. We saw so many fish, it was unbelievable, and the reef is just fantastic. That would probably be definitely one of them. And then the 100 Acres Reserve, walking through the 100 Acre Reserve Loop, those would be my highlights. I really enjoyed that. It's a little cliff top walk alongside the ocean, and there's all these nesting birds. Yeah, so I really enjoyed that. Beautiful pines.
And my highlights were how relaxing it is. Every single person that passes you waves. As you can see, there's surf down there. The guys just leave their surfboards on the beach. They don't bother taking them home because there's no theft. You go to the church is not locked. They tell you, oh, come to the church and just open the doors and turn the light on. It's on the right. It's just peaceful and honest. Unbelievable. It's a good break from the city.
Hi, here we are in Slaughter Bay. Our first go at snorkeling on the reef. There's some pretty cool fish and some very cool coral.
I'll send her the hardcover as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Darling, so where are we now?
We're at the 100 Acres Reserve
100 Acres
on
Reserve.
Norfolk Island, on New Farm Road.
And this should be pretty good. It's just past the oak trees, which is just gorgeous. There's a sign up there that says wear appropriate footwear, because there's mutton bird holes and muddy and slippery.
So we might be walking back very quickly.
Which is fantastic, because I've got shoes on.
My heart is beating faster than the world to keep inside. And yeah, you make me nervous. That's the story of my life. And I should be embarrassed, but with you, I don't know.
Cliff approaching. Okay, here we go.
My heart is beating faster
stage, but there shall be no. This is what Captain Cook would have spotted and said.
Yeah, we'll use these for masts.
Yeah. Because that one looks pretty tall over there too.
Is found in your eyes, a piece of your world fits right with mine.
It's certainly tall and it's certainly straight.
Yes.
Captain Cook was onto it.
Oh yeah.
Pity they didn't work out. The things that the British stole. Check this out. Beautiful. Offshore breezes, strong offshore breezes, and lovely sets. It's a little bit bigger than most people expected. It's really keeping the locals out of the water at the moment.
I know this takes more than just 3 months for someone like you. More than just your trust before I might lose. Learning all the things that make you you. My heart is beating faster.
On the cliff.
On the cliff. So we're on a tour, and the bus driver was just telling us that nobody locks their car up. Nobody has a front door key to the house. There's no theft. It's just sensational. So we're going for a walk and we've left our bag back in the coffee shop just to give it a trial run. Okay, if you like that video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. This Norfolk Island is just sensational.